All right, who wants a toy? Who wants a toy? Everyone want a toy? Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Who's going to get what toys? Huh? Should we squeak them? Ooh. Okay, you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Woo! Who's going to get one? I'm going to get the blue one. I'm going to get the blue one. What's this one? Oh, we got it. Oh, you want the other one? You want the squeaker? Here's the squeaker. Shine wants the squeaker. Shine wants the squeaker. Ready? Go get it. Bring it back. Come on. Bring it here. Come on. Come on. Come on. You got the bill here. Where's this one? Lucy. 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 Oh, go get it. Oh, go get it. Everyone got the toy? All right. I'm going to get it. Is there a hole in there already? Oh, almost caught it. Almost got it. Almost caught it. Here. Here. I got yours, Boone. Where'd the ball go? Where'd the big ball go? Lucy, where'd the ball go? Lucy, where'd yours go? Where'd yours go, Lucy? Did we lose one? Lucy, we lost it. Where'd it go, Lucy? Oh, it's underneath Boone. Come here, Lucy. We found it. Ugh. Got it. You guys are silly. That one doesn't squeak? That one doesn't squeak? Lucy's like, I got this one. Boone's like, I got this one. Shine's like, that's no fair. This one doesn't squeak. You want this burger? She likes squeakers. Squeakers win. You got yours? Where's yours, Lucy? Here's yours, Lucy. Oh my God, Lucy, you made it right under there, but you still couldn't get it. Should I get it for you? Everyone's got a squeaker? Boone's like, it's mine. He's not giving up the new toy. Thank you, Susan. Looks like Boone took ownership of it. Yes. Susan also got us some awesome foraging toys for Lewis. Look at that, baby. It's your favorite. We use those when we go into the travel cage. Yeah. It's your favorite, baby. Yeah. What's over here? Ooh. Oh my goodness. You want it now, don't ya? Yeah? You want one now? Okay, let you have one now. Let me see. I'm getting it out, Lewis. You want a toy? Yes, go play with it. Like, ooh, I love this. Thank you, Susan. Somebody's making a racket over here. It's that hamburger. Look at them all. Boone's hiding his. Everybody's enjoying their toys. Oh my gosh. Is that fun? Did you like your squeaker? Yeah? Lucy's good. I got mine. Boone's like, nobody's getting mine. He's hiding it. He's sitting on it. He said, it's my baby. Lucy, you want me to throw yours? You want me to throw yours? Shine's like, leave me alone. I got my burger. It's mine. They don't get to have the toys out all the time because they get possessive. So as long as Mama's watching them. We found one that they each like. And Lewis is super happy. She loves these foraging balls. They're her favorite. Look at that. She's like, Mama. That'll keep me busy for a while.